Here's a brand new 2025 Chrysler Pacifica. Beautiful BraunAbility Handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a BraunAbility XT conversion. Power fold out side entry. It says brand new 2025. This van comes with a brand new 6-way transfer seat installed in the driver position. This was all done at Braun. We are a BraunAbility service center and dealer. It's an awesome blue, Fathom blue pearl color. Again, this is brand new 2025 Chrysler Pacifica, fully loaded, Fathom blue pearl, black leather inside, 6-way transfer seat. Again, this is a brand new van. They are discontinuing this color. It is a beautiful color on this van. Got a beautiful black leather interior with the white stitching, big screen, fully loaded, all the options, heated seats, satellite radio, Apple CarPlay. Does have a 6-way transfer seat. Full 6-way transfer seat. This can be taken out and put right back to factory specs. Again, we are a BraunAbility service center and dealer. This is an XT conversion, power fold-out conversion. This is the biggest floor plan you can get in a BraunAbility van. Gorgeous black leather. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. We've been in business 48 years. This is what we do. Let us know how we can help. We have financing available. We're in Boca Raton, Florida, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We buy and sell new and used vans. This is obviously brand new. We do take any type of vans in trade. Van comes with your wheelchair tie-down retractors, brand new in the case, a seat belt or factory floor mats, all of your manuals and everything from Chrysler. We accept any type of trade-ins. Just let us know what you have. We can ship anywhere in the continental United States with a brand new BraunAbility van. This van will be priced aggressively. We have great deals at the end of the year. We will not be beat. We will price match guarantee any brand new BraunAbility van that you find anywhere. We will guarantee lowest price. This is a super deal. Beautiful blue Fathom pearl. Again, 6-way transfer seat. Very, very nice. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. Beautiful Fathom blue pearl. We're in Boca Raton, Florida, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. If you need any adaptive controls, hand controls, tie-down systems, easy lock, Q-lock, you just let us know. Transfer seats, tourney seats, we do it all. We have some of the best techs in the world. We stand behind our work. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. Got $2,000 rebate right now on this van, plus a huge discount off of MSRP. You'll be very, very happy with the pricing on this van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Unbeatable. Gorgeous XT conversion, 6-way transfer seat. Again, that transfer seat can be taken out and put back to factory if you just want the van the way it came. As you can see, everything working. Full warranty here. Full warranty on the Chrysler Pacifica with Chrysler, and full 3-year 36,000 mile warranty with BraunAbility on all the equipment and the craftsmanship. Got the lighted runway on the wheelchair lift. It's a beautiful, beautiful package here. Feel free to give us a call. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. Financing available. Any type of trade-ins. Thank you.